What's up, guys? It's been a minute, hasn't it? I'm sorry episode 3 is taking so long, but I'm here now and we are back into the hopefully weekly videos. Been moving around a lot. It is what it is at the moment. So hopefully I'll finish this series with consecutive weekly videos. We're diving back into the Skrillex inspired series. Today is going to be the bridge or drop part 2. Maybe something in between that. So yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. I got a few ideas already, so let's crack into it. I haven't heard this tune in so long. I'm excited. It has been a minute. Can't even remember what these channels do now. Okay, here we go. Why is my CPU just not liking this? That's right, I do have a lot of pitch maps. I do want the pew 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 later. And then into something, so where does it kick back there? Man, that snare is so distorted. Needs to be way cleaner. Okay, too many pitch maps. Bruh. Oh, I didn't copy across the automation. Delete that. And this should work now. Okay, I'm freezing some channels. Too many pitch maps. I don't have to waste my time troubleshooting. Okay, so that's fine. That's fine. That is not. External 28. Oh, that's why. Okay, there we go. This should fix it. Maybe have a break in the hi-hats there. Sounds so empty without the hi-hats. Holy moly. And we can copy in. Whoa, 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 whoa. Copy this. Oh, we're switching to a real nice respace, I reckon. Real lush, lovely respace. How does one make the silkiest respace? Like this. Nice, great start. Make that mono. Filtered. Oh, it needs to be wider. That's smooth. No OTT. We're going for silky smooth. There's no OTT involved. What key are we in? Bro, I've forgotten everything about this track. It looks to be D sharp. Nice. Wait, no, I figured it out beforehand. Okay, that's another pitch map thing. We can. Oh, we. Ooh! So many pitch maps. Not enough CPU. Where's that respace? So this is the rough bass progression, minus all the fluff. Delete the fluff. And here we go. That's way too high. Oh, that's the stuff. Copy across the side chain. That is a silky fucking bass. No. Legato. Make all the notes extend to the next note, so there's no gaps in between the MIDI. This is what we want. Oh, where's the glide? We want monophonic, a little bit of glide, portamento, legato. That's not always okay. Anyway, yep. Great explanation. Overlapping notes. Is this what Skrillex would do? What's the main... Oh my god, I need to familiarize myself with the session again. Okay, copy that. There we go. Then we could kind of have the respace mimic the do, because it feels a little bit left out here. It can kind of be like a weird call and response. Do. Maybe higher? Oh, that's filthy. Now what? I think we need to change up the bass progression or the chord progression. It's way too repetitive at this stage. Oh, the vocal cards. We could bring them back. What would Skrillex do? What would Skrillex do? Nah, let's replay it again. Fuck yeah. I feel like it's signaling a new section of the track, but the energy's still hype, and then the respace comes in, it's just like, what is this dip? So... Unless we have this bass here and then get rid of this bass. Okay, we've got to continue with this respace. We want D sharp. No, I need to go back down to D sharp for the last one. And why aren't they gliding? Where's the glide? Where's the glid? Gliddy. Nice. Okay, let's poach some stuff from the intro. They work well overlapping. Yo, easy. What about this? Oh, that's even better than the serum. The serum, Jesus Christ. It's like when people call Facebook the Facebook, it's just like... Actually, wasn't it called the Facebook to begin with? I want to introduce that in the next section. No, it sounds so weird. Or maybe this. What would be cool if we take the main drums, but get rid of the kick and snare, so it is whatever the hell else left in it. Yeah? That was way too loud. And then something there. It's getting there. It's definitely getting there. Or can we do that? Alright, unfreeze that. Get the reverb back. And the glitches. Still feel like something could be there. It sounded too weird. Maybe a different pattern of that. And then we need to get rid of that vocal thing for the end. Get some little drums like this. No! I want to need more of that. No, okay. But turn this down. A little bit of realism in the drums. I can't hear shit. No, because it needs that pattern. I don't know what to do. Jeez, no. For every second one shorten like that. Delete. Texture, we're gonna extend this note so much. Oh no, we can't. Okay, walk, click, hold, drag that out. I wonder how long you can make shit like this in Ableton. It's just gonna sound absolutely messed up. Did I get to the end of the bar? No, not quite. Oh, that's how long. No, almost. Oh, that's right, we had a drum break right before the drop, didn't we? I just want to take all this, to be fair. Such a solid kind of little pre-drop. I'm tooting my own horn here, but YOLO. Kind of works. Can work on it later if it's too shitty. Need like a down super. Stadium claps, bring it back in. That's not hitting right. Why have we got one hi-hat just there? Mate, you're ruining it. You're absolutely ruining it. Oh, I forgot what I was gonna fucking do now. Oh, I'm too busy thinking about memes. That's right, that's... What about high D sharp and then low? What about that bass? That is great fundamental for the bridge slash drop 2 slash break leading into drop number 2, which will be the next episode. Don't worry, it'll be out the following Sunday. What would Skrillex do? Because I just need to ask myself that question, because it is the Skrillex inspired track from Scratch series. Fuck, his albums were good. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed. Smash that like button if you have. Back with the tutorials and weekly shenanigans on this channel. And that is that. Time to play it start from finish. Start from finish. Nice. Time to play it start to finish. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next Sunday. Peace!